Plant FAQs. Tillandsia duratii. Tillandsia duratii, the fragrant giant of the air plant world. Hi everyone, Fervu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Tillandsia duratii, an air plant that packs a punch in both size and fragrance. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, conversation-starting addition to your home, the Tillandsia duratii might be your perfect match. But before you snag one, let's answer some of the most common questions about this unique plant. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. What is Tillandsia duratii? Tillandsia duratii is an epiphytic air plant, meaning it grows on other plants or objects in its natural habitat. Native to Bolivia, Paraguay, and Argentina, it thrives in warm, humid environments. One of the standout features of Tillandsia duratii is its size. Unlike many air plants, it can grow quite large, reaching up to 100 centimeters, almost 40 inches, in height. Its thick, silvery green leaves curl around itself, forming a captivating rosette. How to care for Tillandsia duratii? Tillandsia duratii is known for its adaptability. It can tolerate a range of light conditions, from bright, indirect sunlight to filtered shade. However, the amount of light it receives will influence its size and form. In brighter light, the Tillandsia duratii tends to grow larger with straighter leaves. In lower light, the leaves will curl more tightly, creating a more compact and whimsical appearance. Watering is another key factor. Unlike traditional houseplants that get their water from soil, air plants absorb moisture through their leaves. Soaking your Tillandsia duratii for 30 minutes once a week is a good rule of thumb. However, adjust the frequency based on your environment. In drier climates, you might need to soak it more often. Conversely, in very humid areas, you can space out the soakings. A good indicator of watering needs is the Tillandsia duratii's leaves. When they feel dry and crisp, it's time for a soak. Does Tillandsia duratii flower? One of the things that truly sets Tillandsia duratii apart is its fragrant flowers. Unlike many air plants, it's not shy about blooming. When it enters its bloom cycle, it puts on a spectacular show. The plant will produce a long stalk, sometimes reaching 60 to 80 centimeters, from which beautiful purple flowers emerge. These flowers also boast a pleasant fragrance, often described as reminiscent of grape Kool-Aid. The blooming process can last for several months, adding a delightful sensory experience to your Tillandsia duratii enjoyment. Tillandsia duratii versus other air plants. What makes it special? There are many air plants out there, each with its own unique charm. But what makes Tillandsia duratii stand out? Size. As mentioned earlier, Tillandsia duratii is a giant in the air plant world. If you're looking for a statement piece, this is a great choice. Fragrance. Not all air plants flower, and even fewer have fragrant blooms. Tillandsia duratii's sweet fragrance adds another dimension to its appeal. Adaptability. This plant can handle a wider range of light and water conditions compared to some other air plants, making it more forgiving for beginners. Tillandsia duratii versus Tillandsia ionantha. Striking similarities, subtle differences. Tillandsia ionantha, also known as the air plant superstar, is another popular choice. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Similarities. Both are air plants and require similar watering methods, soaking. Both can thrive in a range of light conditions. Both are relatively low maintenance. Differences. Size. Tillandsia duratii is significantly larger than Tillandsia ionantha. Flowering. Tillandsia duratii has fragrant purple flowers, while Tillandsia ionantha's flowers are typically pink or red and not fragrant. Growth habit. Tillandsia duratii forms a rosette with curly leaves, while Tillandsia ionantha has a more symmetrical, star-shaped form. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference. If you want a showstopper with a sweet fragrance, Tillandsia duratii is a great option. But if you prefer a more compact air plant with vibrant flowers, Tillandsia ionantha might be a better fit. Showcasing your Tillandsia duratii. Tillandsia duratii's unique form and size make it a versatile decorative element. Here are some ideas for displaying it. Mounted on driftwood or cork bark, this creates a natural look and allows the plant's intricate root system, called trichomes, to absorb moisture and nutrients from the air. Hung in a terrarium. Terrariums provide a humid environment that Tillandsia duratii thrives in. Opt for a glass terrarium that allows you to admire the plant from all angles. Placed in a decorative air plant holder. A wide variety of air plant holders are available, from sleek metal designs to rustic macrame creations. Choose one that complements your decor and the overall size of your Tillandsia duratii. No matter how you choose to display it, Tillandsia duratii is sure to be a conversation starter. With its captivating form, fragrant blooms, and easy care requirements, it's a true gem of the air plant world.